I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are met. iPhone updated, Bluetooth on, and both devices charged at least 20%. Open the Apple Watch app now and place the watch within a few inches of the phone. You'll see a pairing screen. Tap Start Pairing because that initiates the secure exchange. This step matters because the watch needs the phone's network and Apple ID to configure system data, apps, and sync settings immediately. Once the animation appears, use your iPhone camera to scan the watch face. This speeds up authentication. If scanning fails, choose manual pairing and follow the on-screen codes. You'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID on the watch. Do that so health, messages, and purchases sync correctly. Then pick whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Make choices for app layout and a passcode. These decisions determine what data migrates and how secure the device will be. Finish by waiting for the full sync. This can take several minutes depending on apps and media. Make sure the watch stays close to the iPhone so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi transfers complete. Then enable cellular if you bought an LTE model. Confirm notifications, Apple Pay cards, and health data are present. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and try unpairing and repairing. That resets network handshakes and often resolves persistent syncing or activation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.